Hi Edward, just a little additional thought on the downstairs entrance wardrobe. I noticed that the depth is only 50 centimeters here. Elfa rails generally sit a little further forward than most clothing rails. It's about 29 centimeters from the rail center to the back wall. Now what that means is, for your cupboard, the shoulders are going to be protruding out of the cupboard space or touching the front wall. If in fact you have a door here which is going to prevent that problem, or the door is sitting forward of the 50 centimeter, then this won't be a problem. But it's really worth clarifying this point, because the simpler solution might be to have this small arrangement here as Elfa, but just have a standard rail, which I have stock of this stuff, from here to here, but at a different center. So the obvious one would be 25 centimeters front to back, so that you've got some chance of these coats getting in and not being pushed further forward and up against the door, or unable to fit in there at all. So make that assessment yourself. The rail center will be 29 centimeters front to back if you go with Elfa. And also, there's nothing to stop you having this Elfa shelf here, but just doing an independent rail from wall to wall. So just forget the Elfa stuff I've shown there, and put the rail wherever you can have the shelf, but put the rail in a more central position. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Oh dear.
Hi Edward. So
What is going on here?
This is a first part.
Sorry about that.